In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and update your Shopify store settings effectively. Let's dive right into this process to ensure your online business is running smoothly and efficiently. First, open your web browser and head to your Shopify admin page by signing into your Shopify account. It's crucial that you access your main store dashboard, and you'll know you're in the right place when you see the Home tab selected on the left-hand side. This dashboard serves as your central hub for managing everything related to your Shopify store, from products and orders to analytics and marketing. Once you're comfortably situated on the home page, look for the Settings option. You'll find this toward the bottom of the left-hand navigation panel, usually marked by a gear icon. Clicking on Settings is akin to entering the control room of your Shopify store. It's where you can adjust your store's configurations, manage store details, and oversee every essential aspect of your e-commerce operations. Whether you need to change your store's name, manage payments, or update policies, Settings is the port of call for all these tasks. Next, direct your attention to the Taxes and Duties section. Within this part of the settings, you'll find a host of options that allow you to manage your tax settings efficiently. This area is particularly important as it ensures compliance with various geographical tax laws, which can be daunting if not properly managed. Click on Taxes and Duties, and you'll be given the ability to configure how your store handles these charges, which are especially significant if you sell internationally. Here, you'll have options to manage the tax rates depending on regions and countries where you're selling. Shopify simplifies this often complicated process by allowing you to automatically calculate taxes based on your customer's location and business operating base. This can drastically reduce manual errors and ensure your pricing is accurate and fair for your customers. And there you have it. Setting up your Shopify store's basic configuration from accessing your store dashboard, navigating through to settings, and managing your taxes and duties. By following these steps, you ensure your store is set up for both optimal performance and compliance with necessary regulations. Remember, consistently checking and updating these settings as your business grows is crucial. It keeps your operation smooth, helps avoid unexpected issues, and keeps your focus on expanding and serving your customers. Thank you for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your Shopify store like a pro.